Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in AutoCAD with the drawing open. First, locate the text objects you need to change. Select whether you're in model space or a specific layout, because font size behaves differently there. Once done, identify if text is single line or multi-line and note the annotation or plot scale. Make sure annotation scale is turned on for annotative text. First actionable step. Select a sample text object so you can see current height and style values in the Properties palette. With a sample selected, open the Properties palette or the Text Style Manager. Change the height value to the desired size and pick the correct font. If you need consistent changes, edit the name text style so all objects using it update automatically. For annotative text, ensure annotative is enabled and match annotation scales. When working with mText, enter the editor to adjust the text height there or alter its style reference. These steps ensure consistency across model and layout. Finish by regenerating the drawing and previewing plots so you can confirm text scales correctly. If text still appears wrong, make sure there are no per-object overrides and that annotative scales match the viewport scale. Use Match Properties to propagate changes across many objects and save a backup before bulk edits. Troubleshooting tip. If fonts don't render, verify the font file is installed and the text style points to the correct font. Missing fonts often cause size or appearance shifts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.